How do I manage family sharing settings?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to manage family sharing settings. With these settings, you can share purchases, subscriptions, and more with your family members, all while maintaining your individual accounts. Let's dive into the step-by-step process.
What is family sharing?
Family sharing is a feature provided by Apple that allows up to 6 people in your family to share App Store purchases and Apple subscriptions, including an iCloud storage plan, and more, all without sharing accounts. It even helps in setting up Apple services like Apple Music, Apple News Plus, and Apple Arcade with family members.
How to set up family sharing?
Setting up family sharing is relatively simple. Follow the steps below. On an iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. 1. Go to Settings and tap Your Name. 2. Tap Set up Family Sharing, then tap Get Started. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your family and invite your family members. On a Mac, 1. Choose Apple Menu, System Preferences, then click Family Sharing. 2. Click Set up Family, then follow the on-screen instructions to invite your family members. Remember, if you turn on purchase sharing, you'll be asked to confirm that you agree to pay for purchases initiated by the family members you invite and that you have a valid payment method on file.
How to change family sharing settings?
You can change your family sharing settings at any time. This includes adding or removing family members, changing whether to share purchases, or changing your location. 1. Go to Settings greater than Your Name, greater than Family Sharing on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. 2. From here, you can add or remove family members, change your family sharing preferences, or even stop using family sharing completely by tapping Stop Family Sharing.
How to manage Ask to Buy requests?
With the Ask to Buy feature, children under the age of 18 can't make purchases directly. Instead, they send a request that you can approve or decline. To manage these requests, 1. Go to Settings greater than Your Name, greater than Family Sharing, Ask to Buy. 2. From here, you can approve or decline requests. And that's a wrap on how to manage family sharing settings. Now, you should be able to set up and manage your family sharing with ease. It's a wonderful tool to share your digital world with your loved ones while maintaining personal accounts. We hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you for watching.